think I'd be doing another cute cat moment today. But just listen very closely. Ow, Catherine, don't disturb him. Leave him be for a little bit. Okay, now, give him a minute. Listen very closely. You're not gonna do it, are you, you little fur?
He's so cute.
Oh, yes, he is.
This is so fluffy. Big guns out. Oh, that's you.
Not quite what I was expecting, but that was a cute sneeze.
Really? Did you sneeze?
Well, there you go. I don't know if anybody else has ever heard a cat sneeze. But there you go. You have to say that's cute. He's peeking. Oh, he's being watched.
Meow. I'll bet you only have.
Yeah. Not quite what I was thinking of for this episode, but I'll get them next time. You did get to hear a really cute kitty sneeze.
Oh, is it like me?
Aww.
You like this best?
Yet another cute cat moment. Aww.
He's
How
so
priceless.
adorable.
You can say bye now. You can say bye-bye, everybody. If you think that I'm cute, please like and leave a comment. And if you want to see more videos of me, please subscribe. Bye, everybody.
Mom.
God bless you all, everyone. You say meow meow.
It's a
Bye, everybody.
It's a meow.